Welcome to the 3D City Planner. This innovative tool empowers you to create and manage urban development projects in a fully interactive 3D environment. With its intuitive design, you'll have the tools you need to turn your vision into reality. Let's dive in and explore how it works. To get started, search for any location in the world. Simply type the name of a city in the top right corner or zoom into your desired area on the map. Once selected, the 3D environment will load, providing a detailed and dynamic space for your project. This is where your planning journey begins. The first step in any project is to draw a project area. This boundary defines the entire scope of your development plan. Be sure to include all relevant real estate that will be part of the project. While it's possible to create multiple project areas, focusing on a single well-defined area ensures your plan stays clear and manageable. Next, you'll organize your project by creating subareas within the project area. Subareas help you break your development into distinct zones, such as housing developments, retail spaces, office areas, or agricultural land. Subareas don't have to cover the entire project area. Any leftover space will automatically be considered green area. Using subareas not only helps you organize your plan, but also enables you to view detailed statistics for each zone. For even greater detail, you can create function areas within subareas. These smaller sections allow for precise land use calculations and provide a deeper level of planning. For example, in a housing subarea, you might designate function areas for residential lots and green spaces like parks. Function areas are optional, but add significant value when you need a thorough understanding of your land use strategy. By defining project areas, organizing subareas, and refining with function areas, you create a comprehensive and structured plan that ensures clarity and efficiency. This layered approach gives you the flexibility to tackle projects of any size with confidence and precision. Now that you've learned the basics of how the 3D City Planner works, you're ready to start building your project. The possibilities are endless, and with this powerful tool at your fingertips, you're equipped to design smarter and build better. Let's get started and turn your vision into a reality.